located near latitude 30.5 north, longitude 77.4 west. Arthur is moving toward the north-northeast near 9 miles per hour. A turn toward the northeast with an increase in forward speed is expected during the next 24 to 48 hours. On the forecast track, Arthur will remain well offshore the east coast of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina today, and then move near or just east of the coast of North Carolina on Monday. Arthur is forecast to turn away from the United States east coast on Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 45 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some additional strengthening is forecast during the next 24 to 36 hours. Arthur is likely to lose tropical characteristics on Tuesday. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 115 miles from the center. The minimum central pressure reported by an Air Force reconnaissance aircraft is 1,002 millibars, 29.59 inches. The air quality